I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Avengers Tool version 1.8. First, let's get you set up. Begin by downloading the tool from its official source, ensuring your system meets the minimum requirements. Running the installer as an administrator is crucial for a smooth setup process. Once installed, launch the application to confirm everything is working correctly. This initial step ensures you have a solid foundation for utilizing all the tool's powerful features effectively. Now, let's explore the core features of Avengers Tool version 1.8. The intuitive dashboard provides quick access to all functionalities, making navigation straightforward. You can utilize the powerful scanning module for comprehensive data analysis, gathering all necessary information efficiently. Furthermore, the integrated reporting system offers detailed insights and summaries of your operations. Remember to customize settings to optimize performance, tailoring the tool to your specific operational needs. Ready to perform your first operation? It's quite simple. Begin by selecting your desired operation from the main menu, which offers a variety of choices. Next, configure the parameters precisely according to your project's specific needs, ensuring accuracy. Once set, initiate the process and closely monitor its real-time progress through the dedicated status window. Finally, review the generated results upon completion, which will provide valuable data and insights. For those looking to delve deeper, Avengers Tool version 1.8 offers advanced capabilities. You can leverage advanced filters for more precise data targeting, refining your searches significantly. Consider integrating with other tools using the built-in API for enhanced workflow automation. Should you need further assistance, consult the comprehensive user manual for detailed information or join the vibrant community forum for peer support and the latest updates. Happy exploring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.